In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Discord to Whop step by step, so you can link your profile quickly and start using the integration without any confusion. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software walkthroughs just like this. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you're on the home feed inside Whop. This is important because the account settings menu is easiest to access from here. Once you're on the home feed, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This should open your profile options and account controls. Now, on the profile menu, look for the gear icon located to the right of your profile name. That gear icon is what takes you directly into your account settings page. Click it, and you'll be brought to the main settings area, where you can manage your account details and connected services. Once you're inside account settings, find the section called Connected Accounts. This is where Whop keeps all the available integrations that you can link to your account. Click on Connected Accounts to open that page. Now you should see a list of services and apps that Whop can connect with. Look for Discord in that list. When you find it, click the Add Plus icon next to Discord. This tells Whop that you want to begin the connection process. After that, Whop will redirect you to a Discord authorization page. This usually opens in a new tab or a new window, so don't worry if it looks like you were sent somewhere else for a moment. This is completely normal and part of the secure connection process. If you are not already signed into Discord on that browser, go ahead and log into your Discord account first. Make sure you're using the correct Discord profile, especially if you have multiple accounts. Once you're signed in, you'll see a permissions screen that explains what access Whop is requesting. Take a moment to review those permissions carefully. If everything looks correct, click Authorize to complete the link between Whop and Discord. After you approve it, your Discord profile will be connected to your Whop account. And that's it. Your Discord is now connected to Whop. From here, you can continue setting up your account, manage your integrations, and use Discord-based features more easily inside the platform. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.